Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't not subscribed, subscribe. Yes, subscribe. So today I'm going to show you guys a haul of things that I've bought, and yeah, because I got bored and I wanted to buy some things, and yeah, I just wanted to buy some stuff, and I just want to show you guys a little haul of it and stories about some of these purchases as well. So yes, let's just get into the video. Let's just get into it. So first thing, so I went to the thrift store yesterday. By the time you see this, it won't be there yesterday. But I went to, if you hear anything in the background, it's my washer. But yesterday I went to the thrift store and I bought me some DVDs. I've been buying a lot of physical media and I wanted to put this as part of the haul as well, because I did go in there because I was bored. I kept eyeing the store when I keep driving past it. I was like, you know what, let's just go in. So I went in and I found this. This is Madonna music, a DVD single. And I was like, wait, so is the music video on it? I haven't played it yet. I don't know if the music video is on here or just a song. I don't know. Most likely because it's a DVD, it's probably a music video. Yeah. And I think also the song as well. So I'm kind of happy to see this because I don't know if it's like a visualizer, because it has the music version and then it's two different versions. I don't know if this is a music video, I don't know, but I'm very excited. And yeah, and it just has this in there. I have the CD as well. It has this in there. So cute. Love it. And yeah, and when I listened to this album, I was like, oh, it's gonna be country, like hillbilly, you know, stuff like that. Girl, it was not hillbilly. It was, girl, rock. It wasn't rock, but it was like electric, disc, like kind of like boom cat, like the club stuff. So I was shocked. Some songs were country. But I was like, oh, okay. So yeah, so I'm excited to see what this is about. Then the next thing I got, DVD, physical media, is this holiday movie, The Holiday. Everybody loves this movie, The Holiday. Everybody loves this. I don't know if you can see it, but I got this DVD. I want to see it for Christmas. And I saw it at the thrift store. I'm like, let me just buy it physical. Because you know how some movies go to some different streaming platforms. I don't got time for that. I just don't. But yeah, I got this. Next, I got a movie with my baby daddy in here. Ryan Felipe. He's one of my clients. He's not my baby daddy. He's just fine. He's a 50-year-old man. He's hot. He's hot. But I got this movie called Antitrust with him in it, and he just, y'all, Ryan Felipe is fine. I don't know why Hollywood, like I said in my last videos, I don't know why Hollywood haven't put him in romance movies. I don't know why he haven't been in Christmas movies. He probably has. I just haven't been watching him. But he needs to be booked and busy, okay? This man is 50, okay? How long? I pray to God he... I'm not what you know, but I'm just saying. You get what I'm saying, girl. He's 50, girl. Put him in these things, okay? He's too foreign, okay? But yeah. Pray to God he lives a very, very long life, okay? I'm not... Whew, got a little scared now. Next, I got some CDs. First one I got is Lisa, her debut album. Hear anything in the background, people doing the trash, sorry. Lisa's album, Alter Ego, I got this. Lisa Key, Teach Me Japanese. Oh, and then she put this, it's so cute. It's so cute. She put little stickers in here. Little sticker. I love the stars. She put a little sticker in here. And then the track list is in here. Which I liked with her album is that it's on the front and the back. Because these girls nowadays just put the picture like this. But you see it says Alter Ego. And then on the back it has Alter Ego again. With her name. With the track list. These girls nowadays don't want to do that. But she did that. So I love it. Then I got Camila Cabello's CXO album. Look, I know some of y'all don't listen to her. I like her music. It's just this album really, really made me like her music again. I didn't like her music for a while, but the I Love It song really got me. At first I was like, girl, what is this? But I started to like it more. And Boat is one of my favorite songs from this album. Best of All Time. And also I like the Pink XOXO interlude. I like that as well. I wish she didn't put a lot of features on here, but she did anyway. But anyways, it's a good album. If it wasn't, I would have put it in my collection. But yeah, the next album I got is Aaliyah album. It's titled Aaliyah. Her last album she done when she was alive, and I love this album. I remember this album vividly when I was at in my basement and I found this on the floor, and yeah, I just had to buy it for my own collection. Ooh. See, it was broke then. See, they're trying to break it again. Universe. But yeah, next thing I got, I'm speaking a little fast because, girl, I'm be having a lot of storage on my laptop. If you want to send me one, Apple, go ahead. But next one I got is Bridget Mendler, her debut album. What's it called? Hello, My Name Is. I was obsessed with this album when I was a kid, and I was obsessed with the hair color she put in there. It was like so OG girl, so Willow at the time. I was like, yes, 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 yes. And it got hits on there, Ready or Not, Blonde, Hurricane. It's just, it's just gold. Love it, love it. So that's the City Hall. Now we're gonna get into some magazines. I went to Barnes & Noble. First one, this girl, I don't even know her. I saw it on Twitter. I was like, oh, I need this in my collection. Then I saw it in the store. I was like, girl, I need it in my collection. This girl, this woman, beautiful girl. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. She is so hot. Girl, I'm so glad I got this in my collection, girl. This is it. This is it. This is it. Next, I got my other fine baby daddy. He's not my baby daddy. I just like to call him that. Because these are straight men, girl. I'm just playing. But it's just like Austin Butler Mantov. Now, Austin, if I ever do a movie with you, look, I'm just saying how fine you are. You should be okay with that. I don't want you. You just hot, okay? I like people who are fine. I like to embrace it because there's so many people in this world want to make it like, oh, these people are ugly, da da da. Like Ryan Felipe. Oh, he's old now. He's 50. He doesn't look like how he looked in the 90s. It's like, girl, he looks phenomenal, okay? And these people need to be booked and busy. All right. Next magazine I got is my favorite girl. I love Interview magazine. I'm gonna start reading magazines now. I think I'm at an age now. I'm ready to read them, especially this because it's like a newspaper. Oh, I cannot show y'all that. It's like a newspaper, but I got the Sabrina Carpenter one. I think this is my first magazine cover with her on here. I don't think I got another one. I wanted to get the Rolling Stones, but I didn't see it in a store. So yeah, but I got this one and I really like it. I really do. Who else is in here? Oh, he's fine. Fine. Jade! I love Jade! It touched my tip of my teeth. I love Jade. Oh my God. I love Jade. Her debut album is so good. I hate how the track list is, but the album is phenomenal. Lip Service is one of my favorite songs. Oh, his fine ass. Dylan O'Brien. Girl. Oh! Listen to it. It's fall time. Read this with some coffee or something. Yeah. Okay. The last things I'm going to talk about is I got 2 Bratz dolls, Bratz boys. I feel like Bratz boys need to make a comeback. And Bratz MGA, if you're watching this, please let me be part of it. Put me on the PR list. But yeah, so I got these 2 dolls. So I got Ethan, the Pretty and Punk. I got this on Target. And then I got this on Amazon. They both was on sale, so I had to hurry up. And the prices on this was spiking. And I was like, girl, I have to hurry up and just buy it. So I bought it. And yeah, this story with this one, for the close off with this. This boy, I'm looking at the viewfinder. This boy. So I don't like Facebook Marketplace. I just like to go on there to browse. I don't like it. I was gonna buy him on Facebook Marketplace for $12. I messaged this girl, hey, is he still available? She said yes. I was like, okay, when can I pick it up? She didn't want to respond back. Really pissed me off. Very unprofessional, didn't like her. Then I was gonna get another doll. It was I think it was a Yasmin for $25. It was a Winter Wonderland. I was the first one. She posted it immediately. Like, she posted it fast. I messaged her. I was like, hey, can I get this doll? She was like, yeah, sure. I was like, okay, can I get it today or tomorrow? Like, she was like, oh, I'm working right now, so I'll get it tomorrow. I mean, we can do it tomorrow. Cool. Then she texted me back, oh, somebody's closer to me and they want to pick it up tonight. Seriously? Seriously. So yeah, I bought it on Amazon for like 23, I think 19, but with text was like 21, 22. sometimes it's worth to pay the big price, because a lot of these people, they want to get rid of these dolls, but they actually really don't. They want to get rid of this stuff, but they don't. It's just go to Target, go to Amazon, girl, buy it on there, because that's just my experience with Facebook Marketplace, but it's making me not want to buy it on there anymore. Also, go on eBay. I know eBay is high, but it's worth it, because at least you know that you're going to get what you're looking for. At least you know it's going to come, because them people on Facebook Marketplace, they act like they want to get rid of stuff, but they don't. They get on my nerves. But yeah, that's the haul. And yes. Yes. Y'all, I be speaking a little bit fast, because look, I need a new Mac. And that's why I like, comment, subscribe. Okay? Like and comment. Just comment something stupid. Something. It will help boost me in the algorithm, please. Thank you. Alright, love you guys. Bye.
Go right straight out, look in.
Look him. One quick question.